patch got any bigger, do you think?
It's come down. It's gone down. Gone down. Well, it's gone around about 6 inches so far, I think. It's not going across the roads anymore, and you can see the wall. So, how are we feeling? We feeling good?
Feeling okay?
You go put those sacks back up this time, Priest?
Yes, I will. I'm not sure.
Definitely.
I'm sure Jason didn't put the sacks back.
I'll just stand there and let you do that, okay?
Really wet. That's it.
Definitely drop. It's definitely dropping.
Sorry?
Definitely dropping.
Oh no, not another one to go on YouTube then, is it?
Reviewed on your sandbags. Priest,
Yeah, I'm here.
groundsman,
Right.
Mr. Warren, president.
When do you want me to start mowing?
Should we go get wet? We'll go get out again.